Hey up guys, new video, new place. But you're thinking, where am I in here? I know, I normally film the campsite first, don't I? But Harvey needed to go for a wee. Finish the car show, was having a wee. But anyway, lovely little cabin here. These are the toilets area. I'll tell you what I'll do, I'll turn camera and you can see better with that one. That's better, let's have a look, shall we? Is it? Say hello, Harvey, they're watching you.
I've been to the toilet.
Yeah, I know you have. So you've got your sinks there. You've got towels and that supplied. Lovely wooden floor. Hang on, put the light on. No. Got the toilet. You didn't flush that, did you, Harvey? Flush it. And then you got your shower.
On it. It's so hard.
Alright, I'll do it in a minute. Towel, your shower. Let me just flush this for Harvey. But you have to pay for it. It says £1. I think it's £1 for 7 minutes.
Look at there.
Got obviously some leaflets here. Yeah, I know, it's like a little shed barn thing that they've kitted out. But I'm going to pick some of these up actually now. Got a kettle, little fridge if anyone needs a little fridge. So I'm going to pause you now because I want to pick some of these leaflets up. So see you in a minute. Right, got a couple of magazines. I've just seen, well, leaflets. Just seen on here as well. Like they've even got little magazines for you to, for camping. Camping and caravanning. Loads of different ones. So I think I'm going to grab a couple of them like, because we're not doing anything tonight. But let's have a look, shall we? Look, got even a York map there. Yeah, if I zoom out, can have a look. Pause it now if you want to have a look and zoom it in. But no, it's not bad at all. It's a lovely little site. I'll quickly show you now. A little sitting area here. I don't want to show too much because obviously it's private and then that's the road you come in. There's obviously a house this side which is the owner's. Show you where we are because I want to get pictures anyway. So while I'm videoing I may as well get some pictures. So here shows you the layout of the pitches. Oh, I've got caught. There we go. So take a picture. That'll do. Not sure what this little bit is in here. Don't know, an office I think. But that's where you come in. It is quite tight, so just be careful if you do come here. Come along here. I'm going to get a couple of pictures now and I'll get back to you shortly. I've got to close this door. I forgot to close the door. I need to have a look as well because the lady did show us where all the Elson Point and that was. So obviously you go into there, which you can see our car and tent. As you can see coming up this road and you go into there. So what was around here? No public right of way. So what we've got, you've got obviously drinking water here. I don't know how Tina filled it up though. Hopefully there's something in there. But obviously washing up facilities. And I'm guessing, is that where wastewater and chemical disposal? Look, here you go. It's inwards. So it's just toilet, tap. Pretty much simple really. So yeah, that's all you need. Obviously we're not on electric here, but you have got electric, but it's £6 a night. So we've chose not to, but it's £12 a night without electric. But if you've got a big awning, they also charge for the awning, but I can't remember what it was because they did say they'll let me off. Oh, there's a little pitty cat there. See you. Just, where's my finger? There. There is some wildcats here. Well, not wildcats, they actually belong to the owner, they just roam about. There's some people here that have got some site rules. You've got your bins here. Get some pictures as well while I'm here, may as well. And then the site rules. So always obey the rules. So let's get some pictures, shall we? So we've got the site. I'll show you the other side in a minute. That's where we are. So I'm going to get some pictures. Oh, look at this. Look. Got carbonara again. Tina made it. I didn't do it while she was doing it though, videoing it. Just put the stoves there and there. We're in the awning, we've got the awning up as well. You want to say hello, Harvey, again? Harvey wants to say Andrew! Harvey!
Hi.
Hiya! Yes, so you're on that camera, you're not on this one. Oh, look. Right, while I'm here, quickly, whilst Tina's dishing up, are you alright for a minute?
Yeah.
I'll show you this part of the cat's up, but I've got to be careful because there's other people on here.
Cheese.
Do you now? Oh, but I ain't got the cheese out now.
I have.
Oh, have you? Oh, watch out a minute.
No, you won't be sitting there, you'll be sitting out there.
I'm on about these down here. Have a look at this. I took some pictures already, so they'll probably be on Facebook. I can't even see. Just quickly there. Our caravan's here. Lovely campsite here, Mel. You'll have to get here. Look at this, lovely. Tents there. Well, caravan and awning, sorry. Another picture, actually. There we go. So, I'm going to go and scram my tea, everyone, so I'll talk to you in a bit. Ta-da. Hey up, guys. It's late now. 9:45. Well, maybe 10 to 10 now, actually. Cowboy time. Oh, I've just been busy. Got here to this campsite. I don't think I've said what it's called. I've got it on the camera. What's it called? Home Farm in Colton. It's in between Tadcaster and York. I think York's actually 5-10 minutes down the road, to be honest. Can't remember if I told you the prices or not. It's £12 a night without an awning. If you've got an awning, which I think you might be able to get away with if it's a small porch awning like this. Can't remember how much that was, and electric was £6 a night. We decided not to because when we were at Glen Camping, where we've just come from, we were there for 3 nights and it only cost us £1 for the electric. So I thought, I'm not paying £6 a night when it only cost us £1 for 3 nights at Glen Camping. So gonna give it a go and see how we get on without it. We're doing alright so far though, haven't we?
Yeah.
Managed to wash up and things because obviously the water pump runs off the battery. But we've got obviously our little lights. I'll have to show you them probably tomorrow actually. I can't remember. I don't think I've ever shown you, so I'll talk to you about it, but I ain't shown you them. But we've had these little lights we've got since we first started going camping. It's about, what, 5 years ago? 4 or 5 years ago? So, encountered another problem. Pulled up here, gone to put my water tank on this side of the caravan so we had water. Noticed the door where you obviously plug your water into was hanging off. So I've gone to look. One of the clips has snapped. It must have happened as we were driving along, so I'm surprised we didn't lose the actual door bit that closes down. So as I've took the other one off, had a look, the other one snapped as well. So what I've done for now is I've had to put 2 screws through each side just to hold it on, because obviously Chris and Stevie, who we met last time, obviously we're meeting up with them on Thursday, and he's going to have a look for me and see if, because I've tried screwing it in the best I can, but it's because the water boiler's there. I can't really get my screwdriver in enough to screw it in properly, so it's pretty much through, but I just got to go that little bit more so I can basically, so they're not sticking out. But I'm hoping they'll hold up till then, especially from the drive, 'cause it's an hour and a half drive from here to Skeleton, where we're going to. That's where they're going, so hopefully it'll hold on that journey, fingers crossed anyway. But it's like them cheap little plastic clips where they put them on, and then over time, it's been on there 30 years in it, so with plastic it goes foul, so it's going to foul in it, so I'm not too worried. I've got 2 screws that have gone through. I've been careful, knowing that obviously the plastic's 30-year-old and any strain could snap it, so putting it through the holes. I've done it dead careful, so nothing snapped. It's okay at the minute, so see how we get on there. Obviously, you've got to be quiet here, because you're not allowed. It says you're not allowed any music, but you've got to be completely silent at 10 o'clock, like so. And I think everybody's gone to bed now. And obviously, we've got a motorhome there, right next to us. But we normally just sit in the awning anyway, didn't we, when we're on our own?
Yeah.
Kids have basically took themselves to bed. So I think they're asleep. About an hour ago that was, wasn't it? They went in.
Mm.
And oh my God, went in the shower. You know when I says to you that it was £1 for 7 minutes? Oh, more than enough. Went in the shower, what, half hour ago?
Yeah, something like that.
So, went in there, put £1 in, obviously washed my hair and washed all me everywhere. Rinsed myself down and still had enough time just to get underneath and soak myself in it. So I had a nice shower. Tina's going to go and shower tomorrow, isn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, kids have been showered. So we're all clean, just Tina tomorrow. But no, that's why I haven't done a video for a bit. We've just been basically busy because got here, set everything up, put awning up, then had that slight problem with that little door that I had to fix. Awning hasn't gone completely well because on this site it's quite sloped, to be honest. So as I've raised obviously the caravan at the front to level it, so one awning's higher than the other. So I'll show you, like behind me here, you can see it's almost nice and flush. You're never going to get these perfect because they're meant to go against the wall, but that's not too bad for it being unlevel. But this side is, I'm not sure if you can see it there, but you see where it's gone saggy and it's sticking out a bit, but I can't do anything with that because obviously that part's higher. I've tried everything to try and get it a bit closer, but it's at the back of the caravan, that bit anyway, so I'm not too bothered. No one's behind there, so it can stay like that for now. That's probably one downfall with this awning, that if you want it done properly, it's going to have to be a fairly flat surface so you can get it nice and flush, which is a bit of a pain, but it'll do, I suppose. We've got our own extra little bit more space, plus we were doing the cooking on top as well. Kids were playing, then we had to tidy everything up because everything was literally like bombs hit it, didn't it?
Mm.
And then obviously I went in the shower. So yeah, we've been quite busy today. Obviously packing everything up at Glen Camping, driving here, finding that door hanging off, fix that, put all the water and everything all connected in. Then we had problems with the awning, like I said, work being saggy there, but that's because of the ground being unlevel. Level in the caravan though, because obviously I've raised the front up, so yeah, we're getting a bit covered in flies at the minute. It's not too bad. I mean, when we had the green tent, it was a lot worse, wasn't it?
Yeah.
But obviously with this being like a grey, bluey colour, not sure if it's going to pick it up. Because obviously we've got the main door still open, you see. That'll be getting shut soon anyway, won't it?
Yeah.
Get that chair in here, close this up. And then just chill. Got a drink here, whiskey and coke. Me red stag black cherry with coke. So cheers everybody. And you know what, we find it strange, don't we? That all the drinks we've left in the car, because you know with fluid in that it's heavy. So we left all the drinks in the car, and with all this heat we're having, it's been lovely. And the drinks are still stone cold in the car, aren't they?
Yeah.
So quite surprised. The fridge is still working on gas, I think, because that's the burner there. Is it still warm? Yep. Still warm. So it's doing its job. It's quite cold, that fridge, isn't it? Didn't you say the freezer compartment and it's freezing up?
Yeah.
They ain't brought nothing in the freezer though, it's all fridge stuff in it.
Mm.
Yeah, weirdly. Talking of the fridge, well, don't know what that was. Did you hear that then? Some sort of bird squeaking away. There's a lot of birds here. We've been hearing loads, haven't we? Just seen a cat before actually walking past as well. But first, what was it first when we were driving and we'd come into the caravan, the door was open, the wardrobe kept swinging, didn't it?
Yeah.
Big wardrobe because it's got them catches where it grips onto, like ball grips onto it, so it stops it from opening and shutting. It's only got one, so I need to get another one, or them magnetic things. Because a lot of them in this caravan have got the magnet things and they're really strong, especially the toilet door, innit? They have to proper yank that to open it. So I might get one of them on the bottom part because that keeps swinging. So what I've done now is I've used a bungee cord that goes all the way around to the wardrobe door so it don't keep swinging about, because otherwise eventually that's going to end up snapping off. So I've used the bungee cord to hold that down. Then on the way to Glen Camping, that shelf fell down, didn't it?
Yeah.
basically in the living area there's a shelf where you'd put your telly or something on. So that's just pushed up against the wall. That could fell down. I think that's pulled the screws out a bit, so I've got to screw them back in. And then today, get here, fridge has got a little pin thing that goes in to hold it closed. God knows how, but when we turned up here, the fridge was open. Nothing fell out neither, which was strange. Nothing fell out, but the fridge was open. So, God, it's weird, isn't it? So I'll keep eye on that. Obviously, Chris is going to have a look at me electrics as well, because Tina was saying, obviously, about as you all know, about this stupid indicator problem. I got it working, and then when you put your headlights on, one of the lights ain't working on the back for that neither. So it's got to be a connection problem, but I'm not sure if it's got to be the car. But Chris said he's going to plug his into mine to see if it does the same. If it doesn't, then I know it's the car, which is a bit of a pig. But hopefully it isn't, but we'll find out, won't we? But hopefully we'll get it sorted this weekend coming. See what we can do, or see if that other bulb's gone. Which light was it? Was it the other side that weren't working, or this side? I know it's the indicator.
Left.
What not the indicator? I'm on about the other light.
On the left.
Oh, so it's all on the left.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Bit strange, like. But we'll get there with it, won't we? Obviously, we don't drive in the dark anyway, so I'm not really fussed about the headlights. And we always drive through the day. Not obviously with us being first-time caravanners and driving round towing it. Obviously, I'm not going to really drive it in the dark. Obviously, get it all sorted before winter, and then obviously, in case we do drive it dark, because we're going to be planning on using this for winter as well. See how we get on. But we're only going to be going on to obviously campsites that's got electric included and hard standing. Only for reason being, obviously, electric being included, obviously, a fan heater, because our gas heater don't work, so I haven't got the knob. But looking inside of it, it doesn't even look like the knob will do anything inside, so I don't know how that works. If it's just a knob that you're just pushing and turn, but there's nothing inside, it's like just a hole. So I ain't got a clue about that. I might even end up just leaving that and just put a diesel heater in. What do you all think? A lot of people use diesel heaters. Might just put a diesel heater in instead, because I know a lot of people use them now. I know I've got the fan heater, but they'd use more. They use more power, wouldn't they, than the diesel heater? So instead of running everything on gas, I'd rather get a diesel heater fitted. Take that fire out and get a diesel heater. Do you want to say hello?
Yeah.
You tired?
No, something thought.
No. Something's wrong. I'll have to get off and find out, won't I? But anyway, I thought I'd give you a little quick chat while I was just sat here doing nothing. So we will catch you in a bit, or probably when we go back, because we're just chilling. So we'll see you all soon. Love you all to bits. Ta-da for now. Hey everyone. Not sure if you can see me. I think you just about can, can't you? We're off to bed anyway. Go and chill out. So be the last video today. So we will see you, and all of you in the morning. So don't forget to do all the good stuff. I know I say it in every video, but we want to get up there. We want to get with the big ones and help everyone out. And subscribe, like, comment, and if you can, share. We do. It means the world to us. It really does. We wouldn't be doing none of this if it weren't for all of you that enjoy watching us. So anyway, you all take care. Good night, and we'll see you all in the morning. Goodbye, everyone. Ta-da.